Pastor Okero okurgasoroti hamwe na Remi Charuzi okurgumuru Tanzania nubagirango abarokore bashimirira kwinjira mu program za gavumenti ezigendereye kongera hantasi ayo makagabo,
because government leaders have been called by God to guide and instruct our communities. So I urge churches and members of the church to participate and be involved in government programs because they are designed to perpetuate development.
I encourage the believers not only praying and fasting, but to do something, to take action, to go for agriculture, to go for education, to go for business.
Aha basheija Pastor Okero abahijiro koro bujunanazwa bwabo ubwo maka kutarukurekera buri cyumwa bakazi babo,
to take charge of income generating activities, to show their children and support their wives in generating income for education, to support for the provision of healthcare and the development of a household.
Obushwere Bible nejyangu mwena muhereze kitinisa nshaba bashija n'abakazi ombushwere bwanyu mu buhereze kitinisa n'ekyamazima bamwe bagisirwe abandi tibagisirwe onko bushwere mu buhereze kitinisa.
Pastor Grace nawe yahanangirize minyeto kwetantarira cyumo korese bitokoza bongo ebero kubasa kushisha amagara gabo.
Obushambani nibwo buri kwita amagara go munyeto okuriye bitokoza bongo nibyo buri kwita amagara go munyeto.
Gasha kwa dano basibye